Hi, I'm Denise. I'm 18 and I have depression. Having depression doesn't mean that I am sad 100% of the time.
Get up!
It just comes like a tidal wave and I would be unable to get out of bed.
I never raised you to be so useless and lazy.
My mom, she doesn't get it.
笑啊 Anyhow talk. What depression? Nonsense.
To add on to it, my dad lost his job and my mom is barely holding on to hers.
My $1,500, huh? Can pay the bill? Can feed the family? I asked your father to go and be a delivery man, but he don't want. He want to save his face. I ask you, huh? Face can eat one ah.
My family's falling apart. I am falling apart.
Singapore has confirmed its first case of the Wuhan virus.
Singapore has reported a record 1,426 new COVID-19 cases.
Singapore have shut as the country begins what's being called a circuit breaker.
But life throws us new challenges all the time.
Mommy is worried about you. Go. Go. Please. Wake up. Wake up, girl. Wake up. Wake up!
They finally understood I had an illness. I tell them that I have nothing to be ashamed about.